Hello Renovation Rescue HD family. In today's video, we follow AHDA Motorizando turning scrap into a mini motorcycle. Do you think it'll actually run or fail? The creator for Motorizando begins the process. He decides to reuse the frame of an old bicycle. Cut, bend, shape, frame yields to power's design. Frame set, wheel set, power takes form. Welding fuses wheel to frame. Power becomes structure. He starts welding the frame. Now, the ride begins to take shape. Handlebars, lights, motion. Precision cuts, sparks flying, transformation begins. Clean cuts, precision builds strength. Every piece matters. Precision shapes, sparks fly, hands refine. Precision cuts, sparks fly, power takes shape. Precision fits, torque meets frame, power aligns. Precision, power locks in, structure lines. Each strike refines the frame's soul for power and precision. Precision holds the engine's heart in place. Frame meets engine, precision locks power in place. Precision welds the frame's final form. Surface prep begins. Water and grit smooth the metal, readying it for the next layer of power and precision. Clean, rinse, dry. Now the rim receives its first coat of power. The rim surface now holds the promise of strength and shine ready for the next layer. Precision coats the rim. Next, paint meets metal. Paint meets metal. Precision seals the fork's form. Wet sanding smooths the rim. Precision prepares for paint. Precision coats every curve, no corners. Final coat applied. Precision seals the rim's transformation. Glitter locks in. Precision gleams. Cleanse follows. Precision in motion. Every pass, a layer of purpose. Preparation sets the stage for flawless application. Precision tuned, control applied, surface perfected. Precision cuts, power shapes, purpose forged. Now, assembly begins. Precision aligned, wheel set, frame meets motion. Wheel secured, frame ready, motion begins. Brakes refined, surface clean. Welding seals the frame's purpose. Welding seals the frame. Motion begins to take shape. Chain set. Wheel ready. Motion waits. Old tire inspected. New foundation prepared. Scrubbing deep. Rinsing clean. Precision in every pass. Now he begins He begins disassembling and restoring the frame, removing damaged parts, cleaning it up, and preparing it for reassembly, assembling, and restoring the frame. The old paint is stripped away, making way for a fresh coat and a new journey ahead. Pressure wash, clean, ready, next step. Precision clean. Every joint, every curve ready for assembly. Rear wheel secured, frame aligned, preparing for motion. Engine mounted, cables connected, power ready. Fork set, stability confirmed. Control now lives in motion. Balance confirmed. Power connects. Seat set. Suspension tuned. Engine set. Fuel flows. Power waits to ignite. The power system is set. Performance begins to amplify. A gentle throttle. The heart waits for the first roll. Brakes locked in. Everything is under control. He continues reinforcing the frame, strengthening and refining the structure. Precision. Sparks fly. Power takes shape. Carb tuned. Power ready. The welds hold firm. The frame takes shape. Power is refined. After confirming everything is stable, he disassembles the parts to further refine each detail. Handlebar set. Control integrates. Power flows through every wire. Coating set. Frame ready. Power rates. Ride confirmed. Coating applied. Frame transport. Power takes form. Engine seated, power locked, ride confirmed. Handlebar set, control wheels, power ready. Chain set, wheel lock, power flows. Handlebar set, control flows. Power ready. Ride confirmed. Suspension tuned. Control verified. Power ready. Ride confirmed. Purple gleams. Frame breathes. Power reveals its soul. Seat set. Power holds. Ride confirmed. Wheel set. Seat locked. Final check. Engine breathes. Power ignites. Ride begins.
Vai ser difícil, hein, Zé?
Speed cruise. Power flows. Ride confirmed.